Dude's confidence in his helmet is unreal. Meanwhile, the trailer's taking a minor hit at 5%. The sheer reach of that super long front is astonishing. It's like having an extra set of hands in the most challenging tasks. I've been behind the wheel, and on a climb like that, first gear is a must. Rookie move, but hey, that's how we all learn when we're starting out. It's hard to say what they expected when they hooked the chassis to a loaded truck with a trailer. The mud and water didn't stand a chance. That ATS-59 just charged through like it was nothing. Incredible. Aw, truck just wanted to see ship's propellers. If only the timing was perfect. But with 3 cranes, it's nearly impossible to sink every lift and tilt. One miscalculation, and the whole load shifts dangerously. That load was a ticking time bomb. Trailers with that much weight need to be pulled out in one smooth motion, especially when you've got uneven ground like this. The power of the ZIL 157 is truly impressive. There's no terrain that can stand in its way. This machine seems unstoppable. Watch as the Bobcat 863 takes on the formidable diesel Dodge. With sheer determination and skill, it proves that size isn't everything. +50 years of standing strong, reduced to rubble in just a few minutes. The excavator handled that silo like it was made of paper. Unbelievable. Shh. Don't tell the Kamaz fans, but Valentina's built for this. A ferry crossing gone wrong. The trailer carrying the bulldozer began to sink right by the shore. If the driver hadn't jumped, things would have taken a tragic turn. Talk about close calls. Wow, a new approach to using stairs for exercise. This logging truck made a dramatic escape, all caught on video. Luckily, it ended without any injuries. Climbing a hill backwards? No problem for the Volvo V M8x4. This truck is built to handle anything. It's the end of an era for the old water tower. The excavator is here to help it rest easy, bringing it down with precision. Oh my, that off-road truck is tough. Even though it couldn't climb the hill, it smashed the ice and sank slowly. Thankfully, the driver was able to walk away unharmed. Yikes, that truck's load is so heavy it's staggering. The cargo has definitely shifted, but thankfully, everything is still okay. And there you have it. The journey ends on a high note. Mission accomplished. It's a recipe for disaster. Too much weight and a sharp corner caused everything to fall apart. No saving it now. Seriously, minus 25 degrees Celsius? That's brutal. It's incredible to see someone crank starting a 6-cylinder engine in that kind of cold. Talk about impressive. Watching that dump truck struggle to escape the hole was intense, but it made it out with just a deep trench left behind. This driver exudes confidence, and it's clear the machine is built to last. Handling such a significant load with ease shows that both are up for the challenge. Just when you thought it was smooth sailing, the truck hits that hill, and suddenly it's a race against gravity to offload safely. Those who succeed don't follow the crowd. They create their own way. The hydraulic pipe is broken and it falls directly. Please don't wear slippers while working. Here you can see two things: the incredible strength that the Scania has and the great effort they made with the poor trailer. Who knew a garbage truck could play the role of a tow truck? The old Gazelle is getting some unexpected attention in Vladimir today. The excavator expertly maneuvers out of the ditch, showcasing incredible operator skills. He must be the unluckiest guy today. Thankfully, no one got hurt. Just like a magician's trick. 1 second there was a traffic light and then poof, it disappeared. The drivers behind must have gone nuts. Wow, this is a heartwarming moment. The way they supported that disabled person shows true respect. Absolutely. The sight of a dump truck unloading clay is truly impressive. Just when you think vehicles can't get tougher, here comes the 1997 Land Cruiser FXR. It's amazing how this classic still turns heads, even if clean examples are hard to come by. Incredible. The Volvo EC240B is defying gravity with that climb. You can really see the engineering excellence at play here. Unbelievable strength. These off-road beasts seem unstoppable, powering through mud and any challenge in their way. It's a thrill just to witness their capabilities. Unbelievable strength. Just imagining the weight they're dealing with gives me chills. A beautiful day always brings a sense of possibility and adventure. Looks like that truck is getting a real mud bath.